In this video, I will show you how to buy crypto on Crypto.com. To do this, first go and open up Crypto.com and then click on Trade in the button. Now just select Buy Crypto. Then here search for the cryptocurrency you want to buy. For example, I'll do Ethereum. Then after selecting the cryptocurrency, choose how much of it you want to buy. Let's say I want to do 15 euros. Then in the top right, set the order type. You can do a one-time purchase, or you can set it to a limit order, recurring buy, or TWAP, which splits a very large order into multiple, which can be good if you are purchasing a very large amount. But for example, I'll just do a one-time purchase. Then where it says buy with, I'll use my Euro account, but if you click on it, you can also select something else, like Apple Pay, a card I've connected, or a different token I own. And you can also click Add Payment Method in the button to add a different payment method. But again, I'll just use my Euro account and click Review Order. Then here you will see the order overview with the fees and stuff like that. Just gonna click Confirm. And then you have purchased the cryptocurrency. So click Dismiss. And now in your accounts, if you refresh it, it will then show that you own that cryptocurrency. You can now see Ethereum right here. So now you know how to buy crypto on Crypto.com. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.